We are Muslims, we are Muslims. Islam is the religion where we belong. We are Muslims, we are Muslims. Islam is...
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Well, so I would like for use this opportunity for welcoming you to your program where na the Muslim Chatroom on Union Television, where na the Sliweb Online Television. And today I get with me the CEO of the Awalu Islamic Theatre. And today we get for discuss things that we center the theatre. Well, now so I will introduce to you my guest na the studio where na the CEO of the Awalu Islamic Theatre. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Welcome to Sliweb Online Television.
Thank you very much, sir.
So as the CEO of this wonderful theatre, of course that theatre will only year, but you know, tell me brief about the Awalu Islamic Theatre. How una form, how it come about?
Well, the Awalu Islamic Theatre na an Islamic drama entertainment group. We roll na drama that we do as a means of dawah to the people. And then our organization we found 2 years back, and inside October 9, 2018, now we found the Awalu Islamic Theatre. And then our organization we're full of talented actors and actresses, and we don't do plenty Islamic shows, and then getting plenty Islamic awards like the Sierra Leone Muslim Got Talent Show Award. And one of the most important shows at the Awalu Islamic Theatre, because I am pioneer, we make we get speed so for move on with the game of acting. So in terms of short background Awalu Islamic Theatre, I think I will stop here for now.
Okay, so this nine the Awalu come about, and our main focus na for do Islamic
drama as a means of
dawah.
Now,
so since we begin do Islamic dawah as a means of Islamic drama as a means of dawah, how best una don make an impact? Una don make an impact to una fans them or audience them out there. We are able to come to the fold of Islam.
In terms of the impact, Awalu Islamic Theatre are full of creativity. We get plenty people that we creative in terms of building up ideas. So in terms of the impact, we don't create so many impact because we shows them with dramas the way they do, everything gets more or less in. So any drama we put up, people must learn from that. And then people don't meet we until we say, this so drama we wanna do, I learn from there. And I make the lecture, I don't change my attitude. So in terms of the impact, we don't create plenty impact, we don't inspire people in back. Because if you look at drama inside Islam, not be they exist that much, because I be see that not be exist. If we get drama myself now, them mocks jama them be they do them concerts them. But from the time we found our Islamic Theatre, we begin to see people and begin can get love for drama, and then we begin do some dramatic stuff them. And I tell you, follow up for push this religion go before we check the literature actually, because going to mosques, lecture, yeah, nice, but some man can look for see things practically. When you say practically, then you go know how for work now. If I can't say we lie, you go do this. You go see and say yes. Check don't say lie not fine, but you know say how possible. We all the thing they act. But if I can't act and for you, you see yourself. Real fact. They go no for say yeah, this is true something. I make the lecture. Don't say people don't get so many attention in worldly movies, and the plenty of the bad way they happen they like today, and because of the worldly movies there. Sure. If I sabi for chook, because you now watch how they chook in American movie. Some they can do. Making me we short something. I them myself say they say well, let back away short something.
But if you see Awalu, you know the
Awalu good. You self go feel inspired.
You want find actors, you wear full hijab, you know.
That's it.
Talk to your company sisters.
That's it. That's the
inspire. So these are the impact of Awalu don't they?
That's the work plan of the Awalu Islamic Theatre.
Una drama una can do as a theatre. Una only based on Islam, una can look at the other border picture, you know. Like societal issues, social issues, we get for do with morals and good ethics. We not get for do with Islam. With general like society problems them within the community, with the youth then they face or whatever. For I can focus on them particular areas and they again as a theatre.
We can't go for no self-Sierra Leone, not to Muslim no more there.
Sure.
Okay, Muslim then we get that apart.
Okay.
So if we say no more with the focus in initiative in only for Islam, then we are not doing justice to the people. Okay. Understand? So we drama idea everywhere. We do one both for national issue and for Islamic issues. Okay. We know they only focus on cinema now, only for Islam. Yeah, teaching Islam na one side, but people don't get for another thing. Like for 20 in a street, for them. But what we know we concept there under Islamic something. For example, for the training for 20 in a street, we know go talk, we know go cost day. Like you come and no go do one. We go tell you what Islam say if you 20 in a street. So we go the other part, but we know the go there like for say.
Therefore, the teachings of Islam. Fit.
That's it.
Islam say.
Because the word of Islamic theater, the word Islamic make theater. We do everything Islamic. If we be some awalu theater, maybe if we do all that way in out of Islam, then for we get that style.
Sure. So now, since we only do una drama them, whose platform I don't use, whose stage them, whose I don't go for so una able exhibit una do anything there. Is it only una can focus on the media or una can do in activities or whatever? How una can do? I mean, whose platform I don't use for doing a drama?
They are all Islamic theater. First of all, we not focus better self on media.
Okay.
Everything we do now on physical stuff. Them do one live on stage. I make we organize about 2 shows. And then this is Muslim Got Talent. I'm proud of that show though. The rest are the Cocola and Fast. So
Muslim Got Talent. To make an impact to the Awalu.
So much.
Wow.
And then more food our stuff then on stage, do one physical, life, man, let people and see what they happen.
Sure.
We want go on media now because people don't know the request for that. Say it's too much of like you do. So if I go, they put them on media now. Other people don't get the benefits because I don't know what don't watch you now. I don't know what don't see. So one begin do on media, but as you know, because this country, by day. So we look for funding for Lewis our best we go, but get instrument them on set and then try for our best we go do stuff them on media.
So now Awalu, we'll go for cancer at the end part. You go for prepare something for we. At least you get for as a CEO and an actor, you get for let you something at least we go spicy with viewers them up. You know the talent because they see the talent in you right now as the program they go on. And they see the talent in you. You know a person gets talent, just go for see the talent in them.
That's the problem.
And the audience then now go eager and we want to see the talent where they in you right now. So you get for give them at the end. So now, as the CEO, you know, and what inspire you for come do Islamic drama, more especially at the country who friend we safe. What's in your inspiration?
First of all, I'm not an Islamic actor at first.
Okay.
When I begin do me acting, I don't be focused on Islam. Okay. And I just deep I'm no more. I always proud of one person in my life, not my mama. Yeah. So now the post we say, oh, Abdul, you get this talent, you better use them one time for Islam than you do no more that in there. So now the post we be say inspire me, say make a kind of Islam. For being do me stop them for Islam, but I'm not be doing for Islam actually. So from there now I decide to well, if I don't consider Islam as an actor, then they have formed something a good way for push the acting aspect inside Islam. Okay. So we decide for form this Awalu Islamic theater. So in that way, then I will be able for exhibit talent them on Islam. But first, I'm not be the think of for say I go for being an Islamic actor safe. Okay. So the initiative, in the way it will inspire me more than my mama. And if I make a begin do Islamic acting.
Well, Fambule member say in Awalu, Abdul Awalu, the CEO of the Awalu Islamic Theater. And we go for a short break. And member say we come, the CEO gets something for Kangiwi and we'll get some rights from him.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This hadith is about the superiority of whoever built a mosque. Narrated Ubaidullah al-Khawlaini, I heard Uthman bin Affan radiallahu anhu saying, when people argued too much about his intention to reconstruct the mosque of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you have talked too much. I heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, whoever built a mosque with the intention of seeking Allah's pleasure, Allah will build for him a similar place in paradise.
Well, now so I would like for welcome you again to your program we na the Muslim chat room on Sliweb Online TV with me, Umar Farouk Jallo, and today, members say I get with me the CEO of the Awalu Islamic Theatre. So, Mr. Awalu, what in now una current activity right now? What in our current activities them una current programs we wanna do presently as a theatre?
Well, for now as a theatre, we focus on one big program.
Okay.
We na a project for help for renovate masjids them and also for build masjids, build mosques them.
Okay.
So we title this project Choose One for Help One. People don't go to surprise.
Who's it? Project
Choose One for Help One.
Help One.
People don't go to surprise, but una na theatre na the one for put on per project. Well, this is the Awalu Islamic Theatre. We shape self any carry. We do drama. And then we do help in capacity building. So we focus on this project as a means of that we help for give out to the Muslim Ummah.
Okay.
Because not only for take from the Muslims, them find for the give. Because we organize shows, then money they take from them. Now it's time for Loba give them. So we design this project for help for make mosques them. Because now mosques they will see the people in Kigoboku.
Sure.
So they want targets. They see how best we renovate them. Because mosques in this country, if you see them condition. If you see them condition, very, very critical.
When I
rainy season, some the leak,
the ceiling
that's
outside is so the project now choose one for help one.
Sure.
So like and now for masjid for help masjid them. So tell what I mean by this choose one for help. So now good also this choose one for help one. Or now masjid they choose for help one masjid or waiting.
No, now a strategic word, a fundraising language we use.
Okay.
We get plenty Muslim entertainers in this country. And the entertainers they are so people and they will like the entertainers they are so they get plenty fans them. You know sometimes they'll use edutainment for make money for the Ummah.
Sure.
You understand? So the entertainer they are so now they pick out of them they call them boku. So we pick out 10 of them.
Okay.
Then 10 entertainers they are so I believe for say themselves get people them way they support
So
in our life.
entertainers na people they do drama or waiting.
No, and then some they do spoken word, some they do nasheed,
Okay.
some they do poems. So
Different side.
and get the different sides. So we pick 10 of them, like some of the busy man, the Abdul Baris, the critical thinker, grandpa. So 10 of them now that we pick.
Okay.
Then 10 entertainers they are so now then get to choose one.
Okay.
So each of them 10 entertainers they are so get 10 masjids them where they represent.
Okay.
So now the masjid and they get the help one.
Okay.
So if you, the fan, choose busy man, for example, for letting help, busy man gets a mosque where they represent.
Where they represent.
So when you choose busy man, you don't help that masjid. So now they choose one
Okay.
for
So like
help.
I they choose busy man pick a take a the go take a
Now money you choose that with.
Okay.
Money or building materials.
Okay.
Example, if I want choose busy man, because go forget the way we get for setup
Okay.
Example, for I say 20,000 for busy man.
Okay.
So if I give busy man 20,000 leons,
You don't choose
that masjid don't give, so you don't choose them. Because I competition, but now, brother, we don't change the whole setup.
Okay.
We are in Sado, we plan for do 10 mocks them, but it's not possible to do 10 mocks them. So now they do 5 mocks them. So now we set up as a team. Then they as a team, they get the critical, we get team A to team E, 5 team, 5 masjid.
Okay.
Team A, we get the junior Fumba and the Sahid, where they represent 1 mosque inside Watalun.
Okay.
You get team B, MBJ and Grandpa, where they represent 1 mosque inside Grafton. Team C, you get the Waris and Rakia to mosques na.
So the class one don't program.
So it's for happen. Yes. Okay. So now by team then they so if you support the team, you don't support the masjid.
Now like example, if let's say Grandpa and Abdul Waris, then at team A, they want for support them. They choose one, meaning they are like I will give like 1 million euros. I don't choose one for help one.
Yes.
Or I say okay, I give 100 bags cement. I don't choose one, I don't help one. Or I give 200 cup of paint. So that's not the meaning of choose one for help one.
You don't choose
Okay.
one for help one.
Okay, so that's the focus
The
of the
setup and-
project.
yeah.
So how the project don't start or it gets time for start?
Inshallah, with the launch on the 30th of August.
Okay,
Inshallah.
Okay.
And the project strategy we will call them the 500 days challenge.
Okay.
And inside the project, we are in each of them team there, so we need 500 people or more than 500 people for support them with just 20,000 euros.
Then the fans don't the targets.
The
now.
fans them. So and it would have forced the reach out 500 challenge then go win an award. So each team get for win an award.
So now what's the of now in the case we are going to say one entertainer, he get past 2 million fans then.
Then now they win.
That they just cannot move.
They then cannot. I make we say 500 race challenge.
Okay.
So we either reach 500 or pass 500. If in a 500 people in support team A. That money they now they use for go make the mosque. So it's either they get more than 500, but after the entire fundraising, we can have 4-month program. So after the 4 months, when are September to December, the project get for launch on the 30th of August, inshallah, or the launch after that, we will launch now online fundraising, also offline. The offline will get for the set and born online and offline project. So September to December, we don't done.
Okay.
After done January to February, we will do the renovation of the masjid, inshallah. So now, so the project for like so the first team get for reach 500 past 700. After the entire show, with the game an award, the team with the game award. And that award, also the team gets and the fans will get for support that team and then get that award.
With the praise since now to get for Roots Online, with the praise one or one team, then get at least over 200 million people worldwide.
Mashallah. You don't make the mocks done.
Not only mocks done ourselves. We don't build masjid, we don't build other masjid and different committees.
Plenty wine. So this is the brand of our Islamic theater. Creativity.
So now they come to the other point where I've been telling you before we go the break. See, at least as an actor, you get for give you some, 2-3 things them way go ginger up. At least some man will watch you. Now we no ever watch it before, or we don't able to name Awalu. So one for the real Awalu itself. What Awalu they do?
Like all the talk so when act to the act.
Act to the act.
You know that.
Everybody doesn't act to the act.
It doesn't act to the act.
Act to the act.
From when we begin this show, you don't take me in a house. Almost hour now minutes. You knock out self one just.
Hey, Awalu, what's that for you?
What? The next show where you call me, wow, not the candy.
Hey, what's making it?
Not the candy.
No.
Not the candy. Because no, tell me that word.
Why are not for
If they call me big man like me, they call me and I have to,
for you.
No, I can't come picking them. Where, my name Umar, so they call it.
That's what they call
No,
me.
you put a call and chat to go. You don't chat, we go chat something, biscuits, sweet. Umar, next one, not call me.
I don't agree with you. It's not like what it's on a sense.
Oh, if I can't next and also biscuit or sweet, I know they can.
Biscuit for the day, wait for the chat.
Well,
of course, this not just be for putting the Awalu Islamic Theater they do, and in the CEO of the Awalu Islamic Theater, and of course, as the day about for do them projects now, they call on audience out there. Make sure you choose one for help one and support one. So I will give you final message to people them out there.
Fambulem out there. Mina Awalu as we don't talk, and then we project and choose one for help one. With the candidate big every Muslim them out there for do you support this project? With the launch on the 30th of August. Inshallah. When we launch the project they start. When I go for the send on social media platforms them everywhere I go for the CM. You they choose one team for help make one mocks. The team they go for the Kamituna, 5 team. So any team you support to just 20,000 euros, you don't help for make one mocks by the will of Allah. So
okay. Well, mashallah, Naso we go bring you the cutting down of today's edition. And Naso I will send plenty thanking to me guest welcome when I the CEO of the Awalu Islamic Theater. And also special thanks to you again when you watch the program. And to me producer Mohamed Simbiko Umar. And special thanks to me camera operators and to the executive producer Mohamed Keta. And member say maybe the program come to you, me na Umar Farouk Jallo. And if you miss parts of this program, member say you get on your YouTube channel on Sliweb Online TV, or you download the app na Google Play Store, Sierra Leone Islamic Web Online TV. Till we meet again next week, I say assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.
في حضنها عمري نشا ومن حبها قلبي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This hadith is about the superiority of whoever built a mosque. Narrated Ubaidullah al-Khawlaini, I heard Uthman bin Affan radiallahu anhu saying, when people argued too much about his intention to reconstruct the mosque of Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you have talked too much. I heard the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, whoever built a mosque with the intention of seeking Allah's pleasure, Allah will build for him a similar place in paradise.